Here we have a DC1543 demo board modified according to the surge ride-through circuit schematic found in the typical application section of the LTM4641 datasheet. These modifications force the external series pass MOSFET, MSP, to operate in its linear region when the input supply exceeds 36 volts. Therefore, voltage at the LTM4641's power stage is always clamped below 36 volts. The LTM4641 is currently operating with a 5-volt input, delivering an output voltage of 1 volt at 10 amps. Moving to the oscilloscope, we see channel 1 is the input voltage to the demo board, and channel 2 is the voltage at the VINH pin, the input to the power stage. Both channel 1 and channel 2 are set at 20 volts per division. Channel 3 shows the output voltage AC coupled at 20 millivolts per division. We will overlap channel 1 over channel 2 on the oscilloscope for better comparison during the voltage surge. Now we pulse the demo board's input voltage from 5 to 80 volts at a rate of 800 volts per millisecond and capture the waveform on the scope. We can see the output voltage remains tightly regulated throughout the duration of the input voltage surge, 30.6 millivolts peak-to-peak ripple and noise. The series pass MOSFET may get hot when operating in its linear region, so we repurpose the UVLO protection feature to prevent the MOSFET from overheating. This task involves placing an external NTC thermistor close to the MOSFET and connecting it to the UVLO pin. When the voltage at UVLO drops below 0.5 volts, the LTM4641 protection features will engage. For this demonstration, we adjust channel 3 to monitor output voltage DC coupled at 1 volt per division. Channel 4 monitors the UVLO pin of the LTM4641 at 500 millivolts per division. We will also change the timescale from 2 milliseconds to 2 seconds per division. Now applying a 50 volt continuous input voltage, we see a drop of 14 volts across the MOSFET. The associated NTC thermistor gets increasingly hot, eventually pulling the LTM4641's UVLO pin below the 0.5 volt trigger point. As a result, the module turns off its output and the series pass MOSFET, allowing it to cool down. The LTM4641 will automatically restart once the fault condition at UVLO has cleared and the user adjustable delay time has expired. Using the thermal camera, we can see the external pass MOSFET heat up beside the LTM4641 until protection is triggered, cool down until the fault and the adjustable delay time have cleared, and heat up again as the LTM4641 restarts.